Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Yes, Mr. President, na-inform yung staff ko, pero the good lady from Taguig, Mr. President, wala na po sa building. Sana naman, yung bago ka umalis, ma-inform ako, pero yung wala ka na sa Senate, nakaalis ka na, tapos saka inform yung staff ko, eh, pangit naman yun. Yun lang ang ano ko, Mr. President. Kailangan lang yung courtesy lang.
Mr. President, those of you who have worked with me know that I am an empath. I have a lot of empathy. Kung alam ko ba na yan ang special request ng ating kasamahan, then hindi ako aalis dito na hindi nagsasabi sa kanya. Pero just so you know, I'm not violating any rules by doing that. In fact, out of courtesy naman po, ginagawa ko lahat yon. Never pa ho ako nasabihan ng kahit sinong kasamahan natin na nag-walk out ako, iniwan ko, nilayasan ko. Hindi ho ako ganun. Hindi ako nagmi-missing in action. Hindi ko ho ugali yon, never. So I'm putting on record na hindi ho accurate ang inyong appreciation na hindi ho ako nagsabi ng maayos nung umalis ako. At inililiwanag ko that the priorities were clear and those are the two bills on ways and means na kailangan ko hong asikasuhin. At nagsabi naman po ako, again, as I said, I am an empath. Kung nakasakit ho ako sa inyo, sinasabi ko ho sa inyo, wala hong intensyon na ganon. Kaya nga ho ako nagpapaliwanag, walang intensyon. Nagsabi naman ho, baka hindi ho nagsabi sa inyo ang staff nyo. Kasi staff to staff, hindi naman ho tayong dalawa nagte-textan directly. So staff to staff, nagsabi po ang staff ko sa staff nyo at nagsabi ako sa Majority Floor Leader at sa Senate President. So on that note, siguro pwede na natin itong tapusin. Pinaparating ko sa inyo na wala ho akong masamang intensyon doon. So sana ho, wala naman ho tayo masyadong sensitivities kasi never ho ako ng ganon. Wala akong ganon.
Mr. President,
Yes.
just want to clarify, kaya nga nangunguna itong Philippine Boxing Commission na creation, nangunguna ito dahil priority ito sa akin. Mahalaga ito sa akin. Pangalawa, sige, magpakumbaba na lang ako, Mr. President, na na-inform yung staff ko, pero nung in-inform yung staff ko, wala na siya sa building, tsaka in-inform ako ng staff ko. So, wala naman sigurong masama. Okay lang explanation. Ang sana lang, hindi maulit yan sa susunod na mga panahon kasi pangit naman for the courtesy. Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, ang akin lang naman doon is yung ma-inform ako, hindi ako ma-surprise na naghihintay ako tapos pagdating ng turn ko, wala na pala yung mag-interpret sa akin at hindi na matutuloy. Yun man lang ang hinihiling ko dahil siyempre naghintay din yung staff ko, naghintay ako, and then malaman ko wala na siya. Unless bago siya umalis, na-inform ako na huwag lang muna natin ngayon, sa sunod na lang. Gano'n yan. Kasi parang sa sarili ko, parang nawalan ako ng respeto doon sa bagay na dahil hindi ako na-inform. That's what I feel, Mr. President. Kaya ako nagsalita na gano'n. Hindi naman ako magsasalita kung wala akong nararamdaman na gano'n. Kung in-inform lang ako, madali naman akong kausap, hindi naman ako mahirap na kausap. Pero yung maghintay ka, halimbawa, yung tinatawag natin na courtesy lang sana, kung gagawin daw sa iyo yan, tapos tagal-tagalan, ibinbing ka, tapos pag turn mo na, yun pala, malaman mo na wala na dyan yung mag-interpolate sa'yo, naghintay ka, parang iba yung pakiramdam mo. Di ba? Hindi naman siguro, dapat maintindihan mo yung, Mr. President, maintindihan mo yung side ko dahil naghintay ako. Unless kung in-inform ako na, pasensya ka na, marami akong gagawin, wala akong problema dyan, madali akong kausap. Pero yung lalayasan ako tapos wala man lang sinasabi sa akin tapos wala na pala sa building. Pangit naman yon. Parang disrespect sa akin yung sa part ko para sa akin. That's all. In-explain ko lang yung sarili ko. Tao din ako, marunong may nararamdaman. Gusto ko lang i-inform sa body, Mr. President, na tao rin ako, may nararamdaman. For your information lang.
All right. The minority leader is recognized.
If may I ask if Senator Pia can yield the floor for just a couple of
Of course,
parliamentary
Mr. President, In fact, it was a point of inquiry because I'm simply asking what the clarification of the rules, and I always would like to hear from His Honor as a former Senate President, no, to shed light so that we don't have to spend time on this because nagpaalam naman ho ako ng maayos and my staff told His Honor staff, no intention po na makasakit. Wala, tsaka hindi ho tayo naglalayas. I think my record will bear me out. Never ho ako nag-delay, never ho ako naglayas. Ako nga ho lagi nag-aantay dito para ma-interpellate eh. Kaya kung ganun ang pakiramdam ng ating mahal na kasamahan, hindi ho ganun ang intention. But it is normal. Kasi pag late na yung oras, kailangan ko na rin magbigay ng oras dun sa ibang bills na priority bills nga po. On that note, please, Mr. President, can we recognize the Minority Floor Leader?
Yes, the
Yes.
minority leader is
Just a point of inquiry. The good senator has mentioned at least twice or three times in the course of her intervention about the passage of the POGO bill. I authored that measure and included the provision in Bayanihan 2, but the Supreme Court issued a TRO on the ground that it is they doubted the validity of including it in the Bayanihan bill because it would embrace several subjects. But having said that, certainly that ground does not apply if we take up the POGO bill. And it is in that regard, Mr. President, that I'd like to inquire from the good sponsor. I know that her plate is full, but when can she find time to sponsor the POGO bill?
Yes, Mr. President. I was also trying to shorten this process so we can get on, but I'm happy to update. The Majority Floor Leader, when he does take the floor, because at the end of the day, the point of inquiry, he'll be the one to answer. He will attest that he kept on following up with me every day. Pia, can we file the POGO bill now? Every day, and that's his job. And I respect him for that, and we have such a good relationship because that's his job. I recognize it, and I'm very candid with him. I would say very specifically, I'm ready. My staff is just getting this info. Sorry, I had to send it to STSRO. Step by step, I try to keep the Majority Floor Leader updated because nga, it is a priority bill. That's why nung nagpaalam ako, in-explain ko na kasi ang dami ko pang aayusin dito. I can stay till 9 o'clock hanggat sinabi ng Senate President, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I support naman our Senate President as much as possible. Andito nga ako present because I know His Honor, our Senate President prefers to see the interaction live. So I come here, I'm here to do my job. So to answer the Minority Floor Leader, today it's being routed. And I even told, my staff told me, baka matagalan, hindi naman one day. Sabi ko, no, there are a lot of senators following up with me. They want it sponsored. So if we get the minimum number of senators, I will tell the Majority Floor Leader na kahit wala sa agenda, kasi nandyan naman, ready naman eh. No, it's just a matter of getting enough signatures so that we can file it. And then we will sponsor it because it will bring in added revenue. So yun yung tinatrabaho ko. And thank you for asking that question, Minority Floor Leader.
Okay.
All right. Senator Pacquiao is recognized.